Hey, look, whatever happened that caused Nike to drop the ball on this release, hey, somebody lost their job or something, because this Jordan 1 should have been a banger. It should have been something that everybody wanted, and it definitely should have sold out. With the Air Jordan 1 already on a major and quick decline, we're going to talk about how Nike destroyed the drop of the Air Jordan 1 Black Toes. Let's talk about it.
I was spared like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get it.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and I appreciate you guys for tapping in today for another discussion with you guys. You guys have been killing the video, so make sure you guys continue to subscribe to this channel if this is your first time checking me out. Hit that like button, share the videos, turn the notification bell, do all those great things, and I would greatly appreciate it. Now, on this channel, we talk about a lot of different things, and a lot of this stuff is my opinion. So, man, feel free to comment down below if you agree or disagree. I would love to chat it up with you guys and talk about it, so I try to respond to all the comments. But today, we're going to be talking about a sneaker that was supposed to drop last year. I want to say October last year, which is going to be the shoe that you guys see on the screen, the Black Toe Jordan 1, the Reimagined. So the whole Reimagined thing has been kind of hit or miss, but Nike's been vibing with it a whole lot. And this was gonna be a sneaker, quality wise, execution, stuff like that, that I feel like a lot of people wanted. And I remember when my pair dropped, this is what, the 2016, 2017 pair or whatever. I remember when this pair dropped, a lot of people wanted this sneaker, and it jumped up in price. And just the fact that they was giving us this sneaker again, a lot of people was hype about it, even though it had Air Jordan right here, and a lot of people didn't like that. But the age, vintage look, and the quality seems to be on point for these things. But then all of a sudden, out of the blue, Nike decided to pull this sneaker. And so you had some stores that had it available. You seen pictures of this sneaker sitting at the outlet, and all of a sudden, the shoe that was sitting at pre-sale right around $290, $300 drastically dropped in price under retail for a lot of people, and a lot of people that had early pairs were able to get their pairs for under retail. So what to expect with this sneaker as it comes up in February, as they're gonna actually drop it? This sneaker is gonna sit, bro. This sneaker is gonna be under retail. This sneaker is gonna be very affordable, which is a good thing for consumers like us because we wanna be able to buy it. But somebody obviously dropped the ball in Nike brand. I don't even know why they pushed it back. I mean, if you know, comment in the comment section. I would greatly appreciate that because I would love to know. But regardless, the shoe is executed very well and the quality looks good. So the fact that we're gonna be able to get an Air Jordan 1 Reimagined, dope colorway with that black toe color blocking. I love that black toe color blocking on all Jordan 1s. The fact that we're gonna be able to get this sneaker under retail might be the first time that I actually double up and keep a sneaker because I don't mind getting it. You feel what I'm saying? But if we look at the current pre-sale value of this sneaker, if you want to purchase it now, as you guys can see, the last sale was $165, which is below that retail of $190. As we look at all sale prices, as you guys can see right here, the average is $156. But in my size, which are those bigger sizes that normally go for a lot of money, you're looking at $173, $177, $199 for the 12.5, and that's the unicorn size, and that's normally a higher price. But as you guys can see, they are sitting below retail right now before they even drop. And after the official drop and release date, they're gonna drop even more. So this is gonna be a sneaker, such a dope sneaker that a lot of people was waiting for. Everybody was hyped when they got it. Some people even said it was better than the lost and found joints as far as quality wise that you're gonna be able to get, that we're gonna be able to get for under retail. I appreciate that, but again, somebody dropped the ball, man. Somebody dropped the ball, and hey, it happens sometimes. But don't expect that for all releases in 2025. But y'all comment down in the comment section. Let me know if this is a must cop for you guys, or you're gonna be getting it now because it's gonna be a little bit cheaper. Do you agree or disagree? Let me know down in the comment section. And as always, I appreciate you guys. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including this sneaker right here, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get 'em. We got fat, we got you.